Guys, welcome back to another video. This time I'll be trying to beat Chapter 2 Moon into the future. So we'll just see how this goes. I haven't tried it before because I wanted to save it for a video. So now we're here. I couldn't post it. I would have posted this video sooner, but I just had school and stuff, so yeah. I'll go with this loadout. We'll just see how it is. Oh god. This time I got both of the alien trophies and the floating trophies, so we'll just see how that goes. Alright. Oh god. 2 seals. Protect him. Need more money. I think we're gonna die to this guy. Yeah, we'll just die. I'll start off with a different guy. I'll try 3 more times. This one with this one with the normal one, and then if we get very close with this one load I want to try out, then we'll do that. I think I'm gonna have enough to buy Ember, to be honest. I don't have enough to buy Ember. That's too expensive. Yeah, bro. I don't know if I have enough to beat this level. Because the stage an 8, 100 stars or something like that. We'll try just one more time with this loadout. I'll play aggressive, I guess, a little bit, and just start off with Catalyte here. Can he even survive one hit? Oh, he can survive one hit. Oh. Oh. Guess we'll just protect Izzy. Back up away from the base, dog. Oh, he does like 20k damage per hit. I'm struggling on this raccoon. Or whatever it is. Kangaroo. I'm struggling on a kangaroo, bruh. I'm actually so buns, bro. We'll take out him because he's cheeks. He's cheeks. Because Catalyte's one of the worst anti-zombies. I regret freaking evolving him. He was such a bad choice. There was so much better choices. I'll bring in Rich Cat because we'll have a decent amount of time to get money because we need money. That's the only reason why we're dying to the kangaroo. I guess we could try Cyberpunk cat. Try out Cyberpunk cat. I haven't tried Cyberpunk cat, so we'll see how good he is. Yeah, we're dead. He does like 50k damage per hit. Wait. Never mind, we're dead, bro. Literally, Izzy's cheeks. I got the worst Uber from the freaking thing, bro. I'm not using a continue. I don't know what to do. I can be anything, like, because the kangaroo is like, this guy is probably like the strongest in here, other than the boss itself. Because, like, this guy is easy to deal with. All these guys are just easy to deal with. The only, like, mildly difficult one is this one. This one's probably the hardest one to deal with, because, like, bro. You know, we'll do this. We'll just, okay, yeah. Just mega spam. Holy, are we actually gonna get past everything, bro? I actually managed to get past. Bro, why are you damaging the base already? We don't want the boss, like, spawning, bro. Oh, I think we're cooked, chat. Oh, we're so cooked. Oh, we're so cooked. Yeah, I'm washed. Yeah, we're so cooked. We're so cooked. GG's. And a bear, bruh. I can't beat the stage. Come on. Actually, I might be able to. Gotta believe! Oh, okay. Knock him back. Good. Come on. Oh, no. Knock him back one more time. Knock him back one more time, at least. 2 Aphrodite's? You might be cooked. If we end up being cooked, I feel like we should just need to get more Ubers. I'm pushing back now. Oh, come on. Damn kangaroo, bro. Really? The kangaroo's so hard to beat, bro. Go away. Damn kangaroo. Yeah, we killed it. Okay. Come on. We're actually pushing back. Okay. 2 hour IDs. Oh, Cyberpunk's actually doing a lot in here. He's like, doesn't he like, yeah, he does that thing. He's actually low-key helping. Because it stops her from like covering like crazy ground because she's fast as hell. Oh, there's the fat pig. Bro, we need Izzy to deal with the pig. Izzy, deal with that freaking pig, bro. That wave is literally destroying us. That wave is destroying us. Oh my god, yeah. I can't beat this. Holy. I'm guessing we got like decent. Bro, 9%? I should do the continue, bro. Alright. There's our free continue. Here we go. Leave us alone, bro. Literally one tap's Izzy, bro. How is that possible? I'm gay! Oh my god. I'm gonna have to get the true forms on my cats, bro. I'm gonna have to come back from this, cause this stage is too hard. This is... Or I'm just buns. This stage is just too hard, so I can't do this. Well, that's part 1. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.